That is a rhythm. Mfethu uma ukhuluma nabantu abama-billionaires noma ama-millionaires, one thing that is consistent when you scrutinize the nitty-gritties of their sharing, ukuthi there is a rhythm that they honor. For them to become these successful people that they are, it is because of a rhythm. Mfethu uma ubuka i-rhythm, mfethu i-rhythm is everywhere. A rhythm is godly. God has created a rhythm. Uma ubuka i-heartbeat mfethu ukushaya kwenhliziyo kusho i-rhythm. Uma ubuka mfethu ukurevolva kwama they call them celestial rhythm. Ukunyakaza kwama-planet mfethu konke njengoba ilanga kubo ngathi liphuma ekuseni lishona entambama. It's because of the movement of ama-planets. That is a celestial rhythm. Uma ubuka ama-seasons njengoba kubanda njengamanje kuzobuye kushisa kushintsha ama-seasons. There is a rhythm. We all need to honor these rhythms mfethu. A rhythm can be positive and can be negative or ibe positive. Ingakho namhlanje ngifuna sikhuluma about the positive rhythm. Umuntu ovuka ebusuku midnight akhwifa abantu enze zonke lezi zinto, it's a rhythm of darkness. Nawe kufanele ube ne rhythm yokukhanya mfethu. Grab a book, read a page every day, create a rhythm. Uyabona mfethu abanye bethu behleze bexakeka ukuthi ndoda unencwadi eziwu-14. The answer to that, it's a rhythm that I've created.
And you won't stop.
It's a rhythm. I'm working on the 15 books. It's a rhythm that I've created. Uma ufuna ukuphumelela mfethu i-rhythm iyabhora because njalo kufanele e-library uyohlala wenze something. Wonke umuntu mfethu ngitshengisa umuntu one-PhD, I'll tell you something about the rhythm ukuthi that person has honored the rhythm. Ngitshena mfethu ngomuntu oqala ibhizinisi from the ground mfethu laze laba successful. Ngizokutshena nge-rhythm because that person wayidayisa ama-orange, wayidayisa o-banana, lakhulu ibhizinisi. There is a rhythm of buying and selling, buying and selling. Lize likhulu ibhizinisi libela likhona mfethu, you know. Ngitshengisa umuntu ogijime i-Comrade Marathon, I will tell you about i-rhythm. Now i-rhythm iba yisitha kwisikhathi esiphila kuso njengamanje because we honor instant gratification, we honor mfethu popcorn, we honor mfethu ama-noodles, we honor these things mfethu zenza manje zibe successful. But the people who abazophumelela isikhathi eside are people who have honored i-rhythm. Those are people mfethu abazoya kude. There's no greatness without a positive rhythm. Ucabanga njengoba ngiqale ngo-September mfethu ukwenza lama motivation on Gagas and every Monday I'm here. Why? It's because of a rhythm. Ngibalana mfethu ngehlobo ngibelana ngobusika. Why? Because of a rhythm. If you want to go far in life mfethu, honor a rhythm. There are many talented people who abahlulekile ukushaya intambo ye-finish line. Why? Because they never had the rhythm. Vuma ngibona abantu abangekho talented ngaleyo ndlela beya phesheya, beyodlala ibhola phesheya. Kuthi laba mfethu abadumile ukuthi ba skillful, ba talented bangayi phesheya. Why? Because of a rhythm. Are you able to go to a training njalo ube consistent? That is a rhythm. When you honor a rhythm, you go far in life.